Hi friends. This is Team AcoWebs with our plugin Woocommerce Checkout Field Editor and Manager. Here we are actually going to give a demonstration about how to add a new section in the checkout page using our plugin. To create a new section, click on the Add New Section button. Add a name to identify the section. Enable or disable newly created section. New section position. We have 13 available positions on checkout page. Select position and press Done button. Now you can see new section over here. Click on it to add new fields. Add required fields to new created section. Save changes. New section preview on the front-end checkout page. To edit the section or change the section position, click on the edit icon. Select new position for the section. Save changes. New section preview on the front-end checkout page. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support.